Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. When you're looking for something quick to make and you have lemons and chicken breast, I've got you covered today because we're doing a quick dinner of lemon chicken. It comes together so quickly and it is so delicious. Let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. The ingredients for the lemon chicken are 1 pound of chicken breast, a few tablespoons of all-purpose flour, salt and pepper, 2 to 3 lemons, butter, fresh parsley, white wine, and olive oil. Okay, the first thing you want to do is take your chicken, and if it's not thin enough already, it usually comes kind of thick like this. You want to take a sharp knife, just slice it down and make thinner fillets, kind of like that. Now, if you really want to make them thin, you can pound them down even thinner. I'm going to trim off any gristly pieces that you see. Actually, I think I'm going to pound that down a little bit more. I'm going to take the blunt end of a meat tenderizer. And that'll get them all kind of to the same size. Then you want to lightly sprinkle them with flour. I'm going to do that on both sides. I'm going to take them over to the stove and start frying them up in some olive oil. I'm going to put a few tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and turn it on medium-high heat. I'm going to try to make room for all of them. I'm going to turn down the heat just a little bit. You just want to make sure each side is lightly brown. The flour that we put on the chicken will actually help in making the sauce a little bit thicker. But that's really what you want right there, is just a very light brown color on your chicken. You want to season with salt and pepper. I'm going to add in the peel of 1 lemon. Just trying to get the yellow part. And from the other lemon, I'm going to zest it. So I just want the peel from 1 lemon and the zest from the other. And then we'll be juicing both of the lemons to put in there. Okay, I've juiced both of my lemons. I'm just going to put it through a strainer because they have a lot of seeds. I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of white wine. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter. And just a bunch of fresh chopped parsley. I'm going to turn that down and just let it cook. I'll put the lid on for a little bit, just make sure it's cooked all the way through and all of that lemon flavor is cooked in. Okay, as it cooks down, the sauce thickens up. You have a beautiful lemony wine sauce for your chicken. Very simple and delicious. Now I'm going to do a quick taste test of the lemon chicken. It looks absolutely delicious. So tender. And that light sauce, butter, wine, parsley. We had a lot of lemon in there with the lemon peel, the lemon zest, the lemon juice, white wine. All of those flavors came together so nicely, and it's really not too lemony. That is absolutely delicious. The white wine really does give it that unique flavor, but I can see if you don't have the white wine, you can just use like chicken broth. It would be fine. I'm gonna have it with some of that pasta pea salad we made in another video, so check out that video. These flavors go so nicely together. Thanks so much for joining me today as we made lemon chicken. An easy and quick weeknight meal. We'll see you next time.